Good morning, guys. Today is going to be a very chill day. I have a couple of things to do around the house, such as laundry, vacuuming the whole house, and probably some other cleaning stuff. And I do want to get some groceries or some things from Trader Joe's. I don't know if I have time to do that today, but if I do, then I'm just gonna pick up some stuff there. But yeah. All right, now I'm gonna go downstairs and get some food because I'm so hungry. This is my breakfast, so blueberry, grape, apple, and chia seed with yogurt. So I was cleaning and vacuuming the whole house. I was also cleaning my makeup brushes because I haven't done that in a while. And I got hungry, so I'm gonna be making some ramen. This is actually pretty good. And it's like half the calories of most ramen, so I feel less guilty of eating it. Hey guys, so right now I'm helping my mom plan out her projects that she's been doing for school, and oh my gosh, I'm just doing this curriculum thing, and big props to teachers. Like, I can't imagine the stress that they go through just to do this weekly, because it's literally been 2 hours and I'm not even done with the first thing that I have to do. Like, well, I've also been distracted by Instagram and stuff, but like still, just huge props to teachers. That's all I say. But as I'm doing this, I will be waiting for my friend to give me a video call, because it's my brother's birthday and he's at school, and I have been planning like a surprise birthday party with my friends, and I really do hope that he's gonna get surprised. So I'm just waiting on the video call, and yeah.
Of course, still want to talk. I'm standing.